How are you guys doing today? It's Friday. We made it. We finally made it. So weekend plans. Who's got some weekend plans they can tell me? Some juicy ones. I want to hear about vacations. Even if they're stay vacations. Are they fun ones? So let me get this going and tell you what we're doing today. So yesterday, guys, if you watched me, I used this transfer. It's silk screen transfer. It's called, you might think of it as a stencil, and we use this one as well to make like a Christmas theme. So today I'm going to use it for like an everyday. And yes, it's the same exact transfers. They're reusable up to a dozen times. You just wash them and create your next project with it. So we're going to actually we're just going to use the word home, and then we're going to use just this little row of patterns. And if you know me, I'm a pattern girl. I think patterns make your project unique and you. And guys, this is just another block of wood that I got from a friend who's building a house. And I don't know if you saw my last one, I put hello on it and did kind of a boho theme on it. It was really cute. But I painted it black. So this one I kind of wanted to leave natural and see if we like the look of that. I put some wax on it, guys, just to help protect my transfers, because you don't want things, you don't want it pulling up the wood pieces and all that good stuff. So that's it on that. So we're just gonna get started. And guys, if you have questions, just let me know. Yesterday we worked on a chalkboard and it turned out so cute. So let me mute that. So thanks for joining. And this whole H is not going to fit on here just because it's not wide enough, but an H will fit. So we're going to use what will fit and make it a home sign. So the simple little signs usually are the ones that stick out the most to people. I know it does for me, just something simple and a little bit different, right? So we all see kind of, when you go somewhere, you kind of all see the same signs, and you go to a friend's house and you're like, oh, I have that one too. So this one, you can kind of still have the same wording, but it be just a little different than what your friend is, right? So I'm going to try to get this centered before I even put it on here, and I think that will do. And then I'm not going to take it off, right? I'm going to just kind of work with it on here, and we're going to have some squirrely, the squirrel kind of create that way. It might take me just a second just to kind of get the H. What I noticed about this though is if you wanted to use like all the H, it kind of reminds me of a Western theme. So like how they would do like a horse or whatever. So if you are into Western decor, this would be a perfect one to do the whole H in. But we're not going to use all the H. And I'm going to try to get it right about there. So I'm purposely going to leave out some of the swirls and then kind of put some of it back in. And you can kind of, these are silk screens, so they do have a screen, but you guys, you can still see see through it, so you kind of know if you're on the wood or not, right? And I do like the fact that it bends a little bit, so you kind of can tell if you're centered or not, basically. So let's put on here, see what we think, And I love just to come on here and show you different ways to use our products and to make the foxiest nest for you. And we're just going to use our black. They call it, the name of it is mud cloth, and guys, it is actually in our last chance section. So if you're kind of digging that pattern, you'll want to head on over to my store and pick that one up, because it's getting ready to go out the door. We are getting ready for a fall season, our fall and summer, or fall and winter season. So we just had a big catalog release, and Monday, guys, they're going to be doing a vault release, which basically our designs and stuff, they kind of go through the different seasons and the different years, but once they, you know, just kind of like that one, once they take it off the list, it kind of goes into what we call the vault. And they only bring it out for special occasions. So they'll only bring it out for what we call, hold on, I'm concentrating here so I don't get what I don't want. They'll bring it out for vault releases, you know, a couple times a year. And so Monday, they're gonna bring out 5 of our like top requested ones. And they're supposed to be like, I think seasonal ones, and like, there's gonna be 5 different sizes, but there's gonna be a seasonal one, and, no, 3 seasonal ones, one that has like a little bit of a saying on it, and there's one more, I can't remember what it was, like maybe just an everyday one. So that's Monday, and that will be Monday morning. I'll post about it some more so you guys can get some more heads up and know what time it is. But that's coming. That should be lots of fun for us. And then in September, we're doing more of our release for winter. We're going to have, I think they said like 25 more, don't quote me on the number, but we're going to have more fun Christmas ones, holiday ones, probably some fall in there as well. So I'm just gonna, I'm missing a few spots here, so I'm just gonna go back through and just lay it back down. So go slow, guys, when you bring something up, and whatever you miss, you just put it right back down and do it. So you put that there. And I think some of this, the wood, you can kind of see how cute did that turn out. So some of this, you can kind of see the wood grain on it. So, you know, when I did the black, I think it kind of sealed it, and so it kind of was able to give a little bit better, you know, didn't give it as much variation, right, with the paint. But I kind of like that. I kind of like the little bit variation. So what do you guys think? We're going to put that, and see, you can do so much. So you can use the whole transfer, or you can just use just a little bit of it. So let's put this off the side. And guys, I'll take that to my sink and wash it up. And then once it's dry, I'll put it back on the backer sheet with the sticky side and shiny side together, is what I'm trying to say. And I'm just going to use this row, guys. So I'm just going to peel this back, and then I'll do the fuzzy cloth. And guys, the fuzzy cloth just kind of helps you not be so sticky, so it comes off your surface as well. And you can pretty much use the transfers on just about any surface. So I say that because there have been a few that didn't quite turn out. So you kind of have to, you know, test it a little bit if it's a new surface, but on wood it should work. You know, it's the nicer that you want the image, you want it to be smooth. This is actually kind of got a little rough, and that was okay with me. But if you want a really clean surface, a really clean look, you want it to be really smooth. So now I'm just going to make sure that is even. I think it needs to come over just a little bit. And maybe, so like I said, just kind of bend it and kind of know where your lines are. Know if it's going to be even or not. I think that's pretty close. So let's just put our chalk paste on. And guys, you do want to kind of hurry because you don't want your paste to dry. So once it dries, once you'll pull it up with the silk screen and kind of you won't like the image of it. So let's do this. But yeah, I when I was doing that home, it's kind of a whimsical look with the other transfer. But when I started just looking at what the home looked like, I was like, oh, that looks kind of westerny. So if you had like a westerny decor, that would be perfect for it. Okay, let's see how this looks. And that's all I'm going to do, guys. It's going to be really simple. Look how cute that X is on it. So I'm not, last time I put greenery and stuff on it, but this one I just wanted to be kind of, I don't know, a little more manly, right? It's kind of hard to find, get manly decor. But you got the home and now you got that. And guys, you could obviously go around the sides and do something on the back, but that's all we're gonna do today. Super simple, super quick, like all my projects. Obviously you could stain your wood or paint your wood, do whatever you wanted to give it a different look, but what's really in style right now is a very natural light wood. Maybe a little darker than this, maybe more like American honey look, but this is also a really nice wood. So guys, that's it. I'll take this and get washed up and put it back on my transfer. Hello guys, thanks for joining. And as always, if you have questions, let me know. I'll put the list of the projects in the comments so you can make your own. And then also, guys, if you guys are out there making projects with things you order, I love to see your projects. I get ideas from you guys too. Not only just with the project, but the colors that you guys are using. So I'm kind of interested to see what colors people are going to be using for their fall decor. So let me know, guys. Just send me a picture of your projects that you're doing. I'd love to see them. And have a wonderful weekend. And if you have questions, just put them in the comments or send me a direct message and I will certainly get back to you. So have a wonderful weekend. Bye. Oh, one more thing. I always forget to do this. If you have crafty friends, guys, invite them to the page or sprinkle, which is sharing. Sharing this video, sharing my content with your friends. I really appreciate that. That really helps my page grow, helps my business grow, and I appreciate those that are already doing it. So anyway, I want to throw that in because I always kind of forget, but I do want to say that I do appreciate you guys that are helping me grow my business. So thank you guys. Bye.
Mm-hmm.